Ever walked into a room in your home that feels too dark for plants to survive? A windowless bathroom, a hallway that never sees the sun, or that one corner you've completely given up on. Most people assume plants and darkness can't coexist, but that's not entirely true. Some houseplants are surprisingly tough. They don't need daily sunlight to stay alive, and they can handle long stretches of low or even near dark conditions. Today I'm sharing houseplants that can survive in complete darkness for long durations. Perfect if your home has low light, but you still want greenery around. Chinese evergreen is one of the most forgiving indoor plants you can own. It can sit in a room with barely any light for months and still look decent. Growth will slow down, but it won't give up easily. The key is simple: water less and let the soil dry between waterings, because overwatering in low light is what actually kills it. Cast iron plant truly lives up to its name. This plant can survive for years in dim, indirect light and doesn't complain much. Its thick leaves help it conserve energy, making it perfect for dark corners. Occasional leaf cleaning and removing old foliage is all it really needs to keep going. Snake plant is a survival expert. It can handle long periods of darkness by using stored energy in its leaves. You won't see much growth in dark rooms, but it stays alive with minimal care. Reduce watering and let the soil dry completely, because this plant hates excess moisture more than low light. Peace lily adapts to low light by slowing down its energy use. It can survive several weeks in near darkness. Though flowering will stop, keep the air warm and humid, and don't let the soil dry out completely. It's a good option for darker bedrooms or offices. Pothos is famous for being nearly unkillable. It can live in dark corners and even windowless spaces, though the leaves may grow smaller. Water only when the soil feels dry on top, and don't expect fast growth without light, but survival is not an issue. ZZ plant is built for neglect. Its thick stems store water, allowing it to survive in very low light for long periods. This plant prefers being ignored. Water sparingly, use well-draining soil, and it will stay alive even in gloomy rooms. Lucky bamboo can survive in dark rooms for months, especially when grown in water. It doesn't need soil, which makes it even easier to manage. Just remember to change the water weekly, and give it occasional indirect light if you want it to last for years. Rubber plant can adapt to darker indoor spaces by slowing its growth. While it prefers light, it can survive low light conditions if watering is controlled. Keep it warm, avoid cold drafts, and don't overwater. It's more tolerant than it looks. Spider plant can manage with very little indirect light and still survive. Growth will be slower, but it won't collapse. Let the soil partially dry before watering, and maintain moderate humidity to keep the leaves healthy. Dragon tree handles extended darkness better than most tall indoor plants. It can stay in low-light rooms for weeks without serious damage. Mist occasionally for humidity and reduce watering while it's in darker spaces. American Evergreen, also known as Syngonium, thrives in low light and even grows in water. In darker rooms, it becomes more vine-like and leggy, which actually works well for hanging or trailing displays. Keep humidity high and water consistently for best results. So, if your home doesn't get much light, don't give up on plants. Those houseplants prove that greenery can survive, even in the darkest corners. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more easy indoor plant tips.